Welcome to another edition of Bosch Solves. Today we have a vehicle with an inoperative steering wheel heater and air conditioning. Let's do a quick scan right away to scan for DTCs from the ADS 525X or ADS 625X Diagnostic Scan Tool. No codes come back, so each component will need to be tested individually. We'll go into data from the Diagnostic Scan Tool and start with the steering wheel heater, then move on to the air conditioning. We confirm the heater and air conditioning are responsive to the on-off commands coming from the scan tool, so we know they're not the issue. Most late-model vehicles have the ability to shed the load from anything that pulls large electrical loads. In other words, some things might stop working because they've been turned off by the vehicle to ensure the vehicle has enough power to drive. Next, we'll go into the body control module, battery data, load shed output, and use the BAT 135 battery tester with integrated printer to perform a vehicle health test. The test is showing low alternator output. After performing the test, we can determine that we've got a weak alternator which needs to be replaced. We've got a Bosch alternator that fits our vehicle, so we'll replace it and get it back on the road. And that is how Bosch helps solve load shed on later year vehicles. Bosch, the global leader in the automotive aftermarket, providing solutions for every job. Find the right solutions for your shop at BoschDiagnostics.com and BoschAutoparts.com.